Don't worry, guys, hitting some moguls.
I'm gonna think like a Paragon Falcon.
It's good to have land.
Kill switch off. Okay. All right, so I think. Oh wait.
Oh.
It's moving now. We were gonna mention now the throttle was stuck.
When we bought this, it was completely. It's got a little grab.
Yeah, but it's moving.
We might actually.
Doing that before.
We might start this today.
No, that'd be scary.
One thing I'm gonna say though, and this is for everybody out there: the first time you start a sled that you know nothing about, go ahead and get that back end off the ground, because the last thing you want is it to start and something be stuck in there.
Yeah, you don't want to go sliding into stuff.
I'm excited. That saves us a lot of time.
Yeah, it does actually.
We might not even have to pull that apart today.
Okay, sweet.
Good. So then the next part that we noticed while I was on the trailer, there's a giant hole down here in the belly pan. So
Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, Kool-Aid!
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got that. Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah. So, I mean, might help with cooling.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a lot of extra snow on the
There's
bottom
also
there.
a lot of rust down there. Yeah, we'll fix
It's
that.
not rust, it's
It'll be
character.
fine. All right, I guess so. The other thing to add to the list is we're missing a drive axle down here. Isn't there supposed to be one like right here? Yeah, and there's nothing there.
They did a pretty quick bush fix on it. They're probably out somewhere. Noticed that you had the shock that was dragging.
Oh yeah, it's just bouncing around.
So what they did is they got a threaded stud and just ran it from one way to the other. So you should have 2 more bogey wheels on there. And so what that's going to do, it's going to take a lot of tension off your track, and you're just going to run through high faxes without that extra bogey wheels. And especially with a track this long, you gotta have them there. So
and you don't want to break on the trail.
Yeah.
That's no fun.
So we actually parted out a 95 Z440, so we actually have a lot of parts that are going to transfer over to this Panther 440.
Yep, it's made with bits of real Panther, so you know it's good. It's quite pungent.
So we have all those parts, just a matter of finding them in the barrel. This is some of the windshield. Now the one nice thing, when we bought this, they had a brand new windshield the guy gave us with it.
Yeah,
so that
that's
saves
true.
like 85 bucks.
Yeah.
But I don't know how we're gonna save this hood.
It's
Any ideas,
it's
Ben?
pretty trashed.
Headlights actually sitting on the engine.
Yeah, I'm actually noticing from the front now it's kind of off.
It's not far
Filter.
enough. So if you look back here,
Yeah.
you should be about
Yeah,
another,
yeah. It's. I guess it's pretty
You should
close.
be about another 2 inches forward. Now lifting up this sweet hood, and it is a 2-man job.
Oh man. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna stay.
One thing I tell you to check if it's been sitting for a while, take the cowling off, because there's a good chance somebody's made their home under there.
Oh yeah.
So you don't want that.
I won't say mine had a lot of mouse feces in it.
Oh, this was also interesting. They got the wrong spark plugs on here.
Yeah.
On MFG Supply, or if you go on Babbitt's, it'll tell you exactly what you're supposed
Shameless
to have.
plug.
For all you new snowmobilers out there, don't let your reservoir get this low.
Oh man.
So we'll be doing full line swap outs. Got a lot of leaves in here
we
too.
do.
So
It's been sitting on. There's some branches.
So if you have
too.
kids, this is a great opportunity to get them in the
Yeah.
shop vac. They can vacuum that out.
Yeah.
Volunteers. It came with a spare belt, so that's nice too.
It's always good.
It looks like a little used, but it'll get you home.
Hey, did I know? Is this a little melty over here too? This whole electrical room. Just noticed that. Oh wow.
Ooh.
Jesus H. God! What the hell happened?
That's oh whoa! Look at this one here. Look at that wire. That is. Those are all bad. You're not gonna have. Yeah. Where did that all hook up to?
So that is your light. You got light, and then
so you burnt
you got
up
the
whole
light here.
harness.
A lot going on here. So
Yeah, for
we're
sure.
gonna have my son go ahead and vacuum this out, get all the leaves out. I'm gonna say let's pull a line from let's run a line from the fuel pump
Yeah.
into I got some premix.
Okay.
So maybe we can get it to fire today. We'll change
All right.
out the plugs, put the right plugs in. And a couple other things we'll do on this. Just
Whoa!
No, we broke the hood.
no.
Oh wait, no, it's good. If you look at the suspension here on the front, it's all rusted out. So
Yeah.
I'll go ahead, I'll pull that and get that all sandblasted. Possibly change the springs. If you do any of your own spring work, please don't do vice grips.
Oh no.
I mean, it's fun.
I would never do that, but I've heard from some people that they have.
I'm excited. Got some potential here.
Alright.
Let's go for it. So here's your fuel pump. We pulled the carb off just to take a look what we were working with. The way that these fuel pumps are designed, they have a pulse line. We couldn't see the pulse line. This pulse line is actually under the bottom here, and it feeds into the bottom of the block, and that's what goes out and pumps fuel. Tried to start it today, but that's about it. One of the lines going from the carb to the fuel pump was completely gone too, so
Oh sweet.
we'll have to.
Did you get a big enough fuel filter?
I think we could get a little bit bigger.
You should have gotten a smaller one from what I've heard.
Oh, there we go. Yes, yeah. Never have too many fuel filters with these old sleds. So we'll go ahead. We're gonna put this carb back in place, tighten it up, and go from there. But first,
See if it runs.
let's get the child labor on this. Go
Yes.
ahead. We need some vacuuming
Vacuum.
done. Go ahead and get those leaves out of there. Good. So next thing we're gonna do, and take out the wrong spark plugs as BR90YA, and we're gonna put the right ones in there.
Oh, look at those dirty spark plug holes. Let's hope nothing falls in. Hang
Yeah.
on.
It's just a leaf. Just a leaf.
All right. I'm gonna get it. Oh no, I just dropped it in.
Did you really?
No, not really.
We'll say a nice thing about these sleds from like the 80s and 90s, you can actually get to the engine. It's like some of those new sleds. You gotta take
Yeah,
like,
you can't. 17 pieces of plastic off.
if you got the chance, you can see these plugs are like it too. Buy the ones that don't screw off on the top.
Yeah, I don't know.
So many of those we've been.
I had problems with mine on the trail with it. coming off.
Triple. It's not good when you have a triple on one of them.
No.
Decides to
No,
pop off.
it was bad. Okay, so we've got the rear end up. Feeding some fuel into it right now, directly to the carb. Joe's pulling it a lot.
Probably gonna get a few comments on this one.
Yeah.
Don't do this running in your fuel can next to your exhaust.
Yeah, I don't know. I hear fuel lines are fine.
Yeah, got the premix 2-stroke. Gotta make sure it's burning oil before we switch off of it. Probably about 15 pulls in.
Yeah.
Gotta fill those bowls. You ready?
Hey everybody, we've been grinding away here at Back in the Snow, and it's all thanks to you. Remember to hit the like button like you do your throttle, subscribe if you're not already, and drop your 2 cents down in the comments. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned because we've got more snowmobile restoration coming your way in the upcoming weeks. Hope to see you all back on the snow.